Choosing the best doesn't always mean having the largest or most powerful device. For many, it's about finding the right fit for their lifestyle and needs. Some like big tablets, while others want something pocket-friendly. That's where the iPad mini comes in, hailed as the undisputed king of small tablets. Although we were a bit doubtful before about this compact powerhouse and its seemingly unclear purpose, recent developments have shifted our perspective to a more positive outlook. Now, with the upcoming iPad mini 7 set to make its debut in 2024, we're curious and excited about the promised significant improvements. This has sparked newfound enthusiasm for this compact yet mighty gadget. The iPad mini 7 has a notable feature: its new processor. Instead of the expected M1, Apple is introducing the advanced A17 Pro Bionic chipset. This chipset is well known for its strong capabilities and is expected to significantly improve the iPad mini 7's performance. The A17 Pro Bionic is designed to handle demanding tasks smoothly, providing users with a better experience, especially in gaming, where it's expected to perform at a level similar to game consoles. Although the A17 Pro Bionic is powerful, it's important to mention that competitors like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 surpass it in certain aspects. Benchmarks show that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 outperforms the A17 in both CPU and GPU performance. However, the A17 Pro Bionic excels in battery efficiency, which is crucial for extended usage. This interesting contrast between the two processors adds a captivating element to the iPad mini 7's performance capabilities. In their quest to enhance the iPad mini experience, Apple has concentrated on improving battery efficiency with the A17 Pro Bionic chipset. Traditionally, iPads have maintained a standard 10 hours of battery life. With this enhancement, the iPad mini 7 is expected to deliver prolonged battery life, even with the same capacity, ensuring users have the stamina to smoothly navigate demanding days. After the considerable redesign of the iPad mini 6, the iPad mini 7 is anticipated to keep its aluminum casing. However, a twist is on the horizon, with the introduction of new colors to infuse a fresh aesthetic appeal. There are also hints of a potential upgrade to the display, featuring an 8.7-inch OLED screen. Although a more significant display transformation is planned for 2026, this minor upgrade may include heightened peak brightness and a new display controller to address the reported jelly scrolling issue that impacts content smoothness. Recognizing the need for more storage, Apple is thinking about a good move for the iPad mini 7 by increasing the base model storage from 64 GB to a bigger 128 GB. This change caters to users who need more space, especially since iPads are often used for various things like pictures and work. Even though the iPad mini 6 got more expensive by $100, the iPad mini 7, despite its improvements, is expected to cost about the same. Because the two models look alike, people think the iPad mini 7 might start at $499. This way, users can enjoy the better features without spending a lot, making it a good choice. There are talks about a possible delay in the iPad mini 7 coming out in 2025, which would surely disappoint excited fans. Different reports about the release date make it unclear, and we'll have to wait to know what Apple decides. The iPad mini 7 is at the crossroads of anticipation and expectation, poised to make its mark in the ever-expanding realm of tablets. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please like and share with your friends. Consider subscribing to our channel if you want more content like this on your feed.